Hey y'all, it's Rick in the kitchen. If there's one thing I can't do in the kitchen, it's baking. Because in baking, the measurements have to be precise. If something calls for 2 cups plus a teaspoon of flour, and I don't get that measurement exactly right, well then the whole recipe can fail, and that's just not fun. But I found a great workaround when I want the taste of fresh homemade bread. And all it calls for is 1 pound of fresh pizza dough that I got at the local supermarket and my Ninja Speedi. Now this 1 pound of dough will actually make 2 loaves. So what you want to do is lay it out on a lightly dusted counter or cutting board, and I'm just going to cut this right in half right here, and then kind of see if I can get it to be a little dough shape, loaf shape here. Yeah. A little more flour on there. Now press it into this pan, and then you can just put the other half back in the refrigerator to use another time, or you know what, make pizza with it. Alright, now I've got this in here. I'm gonna let it hang out till it comes up to room temperature. I had this in the refrigerator, and I want it to, like I said, be at room temperature before we put it in the Ninja Speedi for proofing. Now that we have the dough ready, we're going to pour in 1 cup of water into the pan. We're going to put the tray on the lowest setting on top of the water. Then we'll put our dough in. Turn the lever up to the rapid cook function side. Turn it on. And we're going to scroll down to proof. We're going to turn the temperature up to 95. And we're going to want to proof this for an hour. Alright, our proofing is done. Now I'm going to brush it with some butter. We got unsalted butter here. Just melt it in the microwave. Get it nice and brushed right here. I suppose if it took some more time shaping it, it would have had a much better shape. But you know what? It's still going to be bread. All right. So now we're going to go to the baking process. We're going to move up to steam and bake. We want to bake at 350, and we'll check it, and well, I'm setting the timer for 10 minutes, and we'll see what we got then. All right. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Nice and brown on the top. Pull it out. Here. Alright, I'm going to set it here on this rack and let it cool for a few minutes, and then we'll cut into it. That look good? Alright. Let's take it out of the pan. Ooh. See, it just popped right out. Look at that. Alright. We'll rub it onto the plate. Now I'll just cut right here. Ooh. Hot, 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 hot. Oh, man, it smells so good. All right, here we go. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? It's just pizza dough, but it baked into this wonderful light and fluffy white bread. Wow. So good. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And hey, you know what? My next video, I'm going to make spaghetti in the Ninja Speedi. And we'll have a fresh loaf of this to go with it. All right. Thanks for watching.